Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional in today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, July the 27th, 2023. Almost the end of the month, and yeah, it's holiday. Most of you guys, so. But we still have Sudokus to solve. We have here the first one is a letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And yeah, the upload speed is not so fast with my connection with internet. So yeah, need the same time. So if a puzzle solved in 10 minutes, then I need 10 minutes to upload it to YouTube. All right. The first one, Sudoku with 3 stars. Don't think it's a 3 stars puzzle. By the way, this one is number 6819. Why? Well, it has 30 printed digits. Normally, usually the Sudoku with 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 30. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And with 30 printed digits, should be easier than the 1 star. The 1 star puzzle has 27 printed digits. So we need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will see if this is really a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about, there's a lot of 2s. Let me see. Yeah, let me start with 2. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, no need to place left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, oh, 2, 2, no, 2. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Right, and now. Which number can I pick? How about a 7 in this first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Okay. Interesting. And now. Mm-hmm. 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 Well. How about the number? I need to think. 3. But the 6, 2 sixes. 2 eights. 3 eights. Well. 8, 8, 8. Yes. Then. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 marks. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 in those 2 marks. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place left with 8 should be there. But the 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 9. Okay. And now. The 1 in the first column. 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left with 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 8 and then 9. Okay. 5. Need a 9 here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. What's here? Still thinking. We have a 9 in the third column. 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 which should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in this box. Here, 9 in the middle column, no 9 in that box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 9 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Alright. 8. Okay. Alright. How about the number 1 and 3. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1, 9 and 6 is we have a pair. 6 in the last row, 6 in a row above. So on that row, only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Yeah, 1 is missing. 1. So 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Need a 1, need a 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, with 1 and a 5 in this column. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 1 one box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Right, 9. Same for 8. Yes, we have a pair again. The 9 and 8 in this row. The 9 and 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 9 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 9 and 8, 9 and 8, 9 and 8. And look, we have a 9 and 8 in the middle column. So no 9 and 8 in this box. 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, so 3 missing numbers now in the middle row. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. And look, we have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. We have 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are left. 4 and the 6 need to wait for putting those numbers in the boxes. 4 and the 6 need 1 here. Okay, 1. Then yeah. 4 and the 6. 4, 6. 6, 4, 6, 5. 1 is also missing here. 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can not see here. 1 and a 5, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have all the 1s. Yeah. Digit number 3, number 1. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, and 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. The 3 in the third row, the 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 1 box left in the third column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 6. 1 box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so the first row, only place left for the 4 should be there. two missing numbers in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And 5 goes there. 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 9 and 8. We have 8 now in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 9 and a 6. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. From us, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square. From us, same numbers, I believe. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, 15 minutes. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. But, yeah. Told you earlier, 30 minutes, 30 printed digits should be faster than 15 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars then. Alright. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles in this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.